Good morning, all of you. In class 12, accountancy, we are on chapter number 5, resolution of partnership. And in that chapter, I already explained you the meaning, difference between dissolution of partnership form and dissolution of partnership, and different modes of dissolution I already explained you. So today we are going to the topic settlement of accounts, and before that we have to summarize the previous see I explain you about the dissolution of firm means complete closure. Complete closure means first of all the firm sold off all the assets and paid off all the liabilities. Then difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. In dissolution of partnership, only the relationships change, means a new partner will join, an old partner may retire. So there will be change in relationship. But in dissolution of firm, the relationship comes to an end. In partnership dissolution, the assets and liabilities are revalued. That's why revaluation account is prepared. But at the time of dissolution of firm, all the assets are sold off. So realization account is prepared. Then next we completed modes of dissolution of firm by agreement, compulsory dissolution. Yesterday I explained you if the firm is doing some illegal activities, if the partners becomes insolvent, if only one remains, other wants to retire, or only one except one all dies. Then certain contingencies may be happen, like the firm is for fixed time period, like two partners made the firm for making some make it for 3 years or for 2 years. So after the expiry of that term period, their firm will automatically dissolve. Then if they carried out for venture, some specific venture, then dissolution by notice. But that condition is for that dissolution by notice. From here we have to start. Dissolution by notice if the partnership is at will. At will means any partner can send the notice for dissolution. So in writing, others have to. Then next is very important topic, dissolution by court. See, in India also, the court can interfere in the workings of the partnership. How? See, the court may interfere and court may order the firm to be dissolved. There are various reasons for it. If the firm is going on continuous loss, if any partner commits breach of agreement, fraud, cheating with the other partner. So here I made one slide for you. Dissolution by the order of court, insanity of any partner, permanent incapacity, misconduct, cheating, fraud, disregard of partnership agreement, firm is going in continuous loss. If court thought that this is just on equitable ground. Now today, settlement of accounts. How the firm can settle the accounts? The firm can do the work or the closure process according to Indian Partnership Act 1932. Then the new changes are there. So then how do accounts are settled? First, application of assets by paying the realization expenses, then payment to third party, then payment made to partners loan, then if the remaining, then capital contributed by the partner, then still remaining, then they will distribute in their profit sharing ratio. Then private debts and firm's debt. Private debts means the liability of the partner alone. own sources he has to pay. Then firm's debt means this is the liability of all the partners. Now we are coming to the main topic, accounts settlement on dissolution of firm. Realization account, partners capital account, bank and cash account. See my dear children, from the day one I am telling you, if the firm is dissolved, there is no need to make balance sheet. Because they sold off their assets, they pay off their liabilities, so there is no balance. That's why no need to make balance sheet. This is the question. Last year's sample paper they gave in true and false. At the time of dissolution of a firm, can a firm make a balance sheet? You will write no, because dissolution of firm is final over work. Realization, partners capital or current account, bank and cash account. Now what is realization account? Realization account is a nominal account. First point, fill in the blank. It is prepared at the time of dissolution of a firm, and it is prepared to close the accounts of asset and liabilities and to find out the profit or loss. See my dear children, you have to keep in mind, in realization account, cash, bank and fictitious assets are not to be transferred. Now, please note down the journal entries, because from many years, CBSE is not giving accounts of the dissolution. From many years, they are giving journal entries. So how to do these journal entries? See, to close asset. So cash and bank will not be transferred in realization account, because cash and bank account is separate. Now, data should be transferred to realization account at its full value without deducting provision if any. Now, the first entry, if we transfer the asset, the first entry is realization account debit to assets individual. See, in this, the previous year, in the question paper, they gave one question. Pass the general entry at the time of dissolution of firm, when a firm transfers building of rupees 10 lakh. What will be the entry? See the screen. Realization account debit to building. Realization account debit to building. If in place of building, that may be furniture, you will write realization account debit to furniture. My dear children, I am sure you must get asset individually. Individually means you have to write the name. Okay. So first entry at the time in making realization account, note down first entry for closing the asset. See the blue lines. Realization account debit to assets individually, being assets transferred. See my dear children, in place of assets you have to write the name of the assets. Land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and pictures, status, stock, whatever asset given, you have to trust. Now my question is, do you think goodwill also transferred? Yes, goodwill is also transferred at the time of dissolution of firm. Yes, except cash, bank and fictitious assets, you have to transfer all the assets. So first entry over is realization account debit to asset. Now, second entry, all the liabilities. See my dear children, if the assets are transferred, then liability is also transferred at the credit side. You can learn by this way. asset transfer to debit side, liabilities transfer to credit side. Only the external liabilities are to be transferred. What is the meaning of external liabilities? Yes, the liabilities which we have to pay to others, to outsiders. Okay, so creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, outstanding liabilities, unearned income, partners, wives loan, brothers loan, sisters loan, all are outsiders. But partners loan is not outside. See, my dear children, when we transfer the asset, surely we have to transfer the liabilities, because by this payment of asset, the firm will pay these liabilities. So, my dear children, note down the examples of external liabilities. L. Entry. External liabilities account debit to realization account. See, my dear children, that is given in individual. That is given in the question. Creditors are paid off. What will be the entry? Creditors are transferred. So creditors account debit to realization account. Transfer. Okay. Now note down this general entry. This is liability transfer, or we can say liabilities closed. Now to close provision against various assets, how to transfer these provisions, that topic is very much problematic, creates problem every time. See, my dear children, don't think about these. These are the bookish liabilities, you can say. These are the provisions made by the firm. Okay, just transfer. Just transfer them as you are transferring the liabilities. Note down, please. To close provision against various assets like provision for doubtful debts, provision for depreciation, provision against asset, any asset, joint life policy reserve, you can say JLP, contingencies reserves, any doubtful reserve, IFF investment fluctuation fund account debit, all provisions we have to transfer, all fund or these transfer. But don't transfer general reserve. I will explain you further. Only those provisions like which are against any asset. Note down PDD, EFD, JLP, CR, IFF, debit. Maybe in the question, all are not there. See, in few questions, only one or two given. You have to transfer those which are given. Okay? Then next. To close provision against various liabilities like, see, my dear children, if we make provision against asset, the firm can make provision against liability also. Just reverse. This is known as PDC, provision for discount on creditors. Now, next. When closed assets realized, sold off. See, the aim of dissolution of partnership firm is to wind up, close the business, shut down the business. So if they already decide to wind up the business, they already decide to shut the business, close the business, then what they have to do? They just sell their assets. Or maybe they sell their asset to in the cash or bank form, or maybe they can sell their they can give their asset and liabilities to their partners also. Means like if I and Yash and Dion are the partners and we are going to wind up the business. So if I like the car, I can tell them, please give this car to me. I am taking this car. Okay. So it depends on the firm. It depends on the choice of the partner. If they want to take the asset, they can, or otherwise they can sell this asset in the market and collect the money. Okay, my dear children, I'm sure you are getting it. If asset sold, that means asset sold, then amount is coming in form of cash or bank. See, cash and bank both. Why I am giving here? Because in old books that is given cash, but in new pattern book that is given bank. So it's up to you. You can see the question. But in my opinion, we have to write cash bank account, debit to realization account, and you can check the balance sheet of the firm. If they maintain bank account, you have to pass the entry through bank account. Okay. So when assets sold off. Now my question is, in the exam that question came, the value of furniture is 10,000 and firm is selling it at the time of dissolution of firm in 8,000 rupees. What will be the general entry? Simple. Cash account debit to realization account 8,000. Whatever amount they are getting, they are realizing, we have to write that amount only. Okay, means be careful. Realized value you have to enter, not the book value. Book value you already transferred. These are, you can see this one, selling price or realized price you can enter in the books. Now some students are being confused with the concept of class 11. They said, ma'am, if the furniture is going out, we have to write here furniture. No, my dear children. What is the reason? See, asset account is already closed by transfer it to realization account. So realization account is credited instead of asset. Okay, got it? See, my dear children, realization account is, why realization account is credited? Because already we transfer the asset to realization account. So we have to write here realization account. Then if any asset taken over by a partner, then what to do? If any asset taken over by the partner, then in place of cash or bank, you have to write particular partner's name, particular partner's capital account debit. Just now I told you, Yash, Dion and I have had a partnership and we are going to wind up, and I like the car, so I can take it. Then in that situation, what entry they will pass? Sushma's capital account debit to realization account. Got it? So in place of cash and bank, you just write the name of the partner who is taking this asset. Okay, children? So there are various options to sell off the asset through cash, through bank, or to give it to partner. The one more option is there which I will explain you. But if, see, various times, like if the firm is going to wind up, any asset can take over by the partner. See, there are two options. We can realize these assets by selling it to outsiders. Sell them, get the money, simple. Or any partner can take over the asset. Okay, then next, when liabilities are paid off. When liabilities are paid off, that is very simple, opposite of asset, realization account debit to cash account. When liabilities are taken over by a partner, it is also very easy. Realization account debit to particular partner's capital account. See, in this, you have to write in place of bank, you can write the partner's name. See, I am giving you example. If three partners are there, X, Y, Z, and Z is ready to take his brother's loan's liability, then you will write here realization account debit to Z's capital. At the first stage, we close all external liabilities by transfer them to realization account. Now same as we have options in assets, same we have options in paid off of liabilities. Liabilities are paid off to cash or any partner can also take off. So up to here we completed our part, which is transfer of asset, transfer of liabilities, sale of asset, taken over by asset, payment of liabilities, liabilities taken over by any partner. So these are the 6 general entries which the basic, only the name and amount will change. Then for expenses, tomorrow we will make another video for that.